these lifts is so much faster than this. I don't know if I'm staying that long, but maybe.
It's moving so slow.
I know. The barrel, and no air time at all.
Well, it's cold and there's not a lot of people.
It needs to warm up too. We need train weight. Tram list. Tram list. Tram list. Tram list. Tram list. Tram list. No! Whoa! Did brother just say retract Nitro?
Yeah.
This is smoother than Iron Menace. That's it, yeah. Oh, by the way, you guys hear Roaring's opening today?
Huh?
Roaring Rapids opening today?
Wait, who'd the phone out?
Ryan, put it away!
Wait, someone has a phone now? Ryan's on that ride?
Apparently Ryan got fired for fucking, I don't know, telling the people that he, I don't know.
Jumbo left it.
I don't fucking know.
Oh my god, Zimmerman! No way!
Holy shit, it's having a
It's also flicking him
it's
off.
having a stroke right now.
Also just flick Zimmerman off. Oh wait, don't get it.
Two times.
Ow!